That's just our family size Sara Lee classic pound cake. Now I'm gonna pick up the piece that would be the bottom of our bread, and I'm gonna just place that back into the tin it came from. We just laid some saran wrap both directions. And now we found this really fun Kroger brand red, white, and blue ice cream. And I am gonna just start placing some scoops of this right along in here. This is actually really fun. 3 different flavors in this carton, and it was $2.50 for the carton, so I thought it was a pretty good deal. All right, I'm just gonna start smoothing this down. Now you could also just get a red sort of sorbet or a strawberry ice cream, maybe a blue raspberry ice cream, and of course like a classic vanilla if you can't find a red, white, and blue. Just find yourself some little pints and make it work. All right, perfect. Now that we've got those spread in there, I'm just coming in with my middle layer of my pound cake. We're gonna press that in, and we're just gonna repeat our process here, adding some blue, a little bit of our white, and some of our red. And we're just gonna start spreading this out as well. This is so fun to do any time of year, but I think especially with all these really great patriotic holidays coming up, and finding this delicious tri-flavored ice cream at Kroger's. Y'all, this is perfect for 4th of July. All right, I'm just gonna add my top layer right back on top here. And now we're gonna take our saran wrap and we're gonna tightly wrap this. All right, y'all, I'm putting our Sara Lee pound cake back in the freezer for about an hour. All righty, y'all, our ice cream cake is ready. I'm just gonna unwrap this. Well, almost ready, I should say. Almost ready. Okay, look at those beautiful layers. It looks so good. That red, white, and blue ice cream is phenomenal. I'm a huge fan. Very Captain America, who happens to be my favorite Marvel superhero. He's just so handsome. Now we want to do this real quick for our party that we're going to, so I just slightly melted our frosting. I'm gonna give it a pour over. Great. And use my little cake decorating knife here. Perfect. All right, we're just smoothing this, giving the top some coverage. That's all we need. I got a little bit of blue sprinkles. Pretty. A little bit of red sprinkles. And now I've got my fancy decorative plate here. We're just gonna so easily pick this guy up and put it just like that. Check this out. Didn't it turn out so pretty? Those gorgeous colors from the ice cream. I love it. And now, let me show you what the middle looks like. Gorgeous. Oh, both these parts are red. So pretty. Happy birthday, America. You gotta try it.